Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you don't have enough organization in your shower, or you're just looking for a nice way to organize all those bottles, check out these dispensers. Having everything in these beautiful amber bottles just elevates the style in this bathroom, and it makes you feel like you're in a spa. It's a great feature to have plastic bottles instead of glass when you have tile showers or tubs. The pumps are also a nice sturdy plastic and have a matte finish, so they look really elegant. Then these stickers are so simple yet beautiful and have held up really nice in the shower. If you have a different bottle that you really like, you can still use the same holder. So it's really customizable to whatever your needs are. And having these bottles hanging from the wall means there's no shelf that's going to accumulate water or any gunk from the shower, so it's less things that you have to clean. So if you're looking for a beautiful, stylish way to organize your bottles in the shower, I think you're going to love these mounts. We really do. And that's our point of view.